राजेश उठो, सुबह हो गई।
हाँ मीरा, अभी उठ रहा हूँ।
चाय बना दूं?
हाँ प्लीज।
Rohan, beta, it's time to wake up.
5 more minutes.
Rohan, you're like a caterpillar. Come on, the sun is up.
Let him sleep, Mira.
Good morning, my dears.
Ah, the sun is bright today.
It's so warm, Mama. Yay, sun time.
Good morning, my dear. Let me help fix your braids.
Thank you, Amma. They feel loose. Anjali, can I have a ribbon?
Maybe when you're older, beta.
There, all done.
Breakfast is almost ready, my dears.
I'm almost ready, Ma. I won't be.
Need any help? No, I've got it. You all get ready.
दूध वाला भैया यहाँ।
जी भाभी जी, दूध लाया।
मम्मी दूध और कितना?
चलो स्कूल के लिए रेडी हो जाओ।
हाँ मम्मी।
Ah, the radio is coming on.
What song is it, Amma? It's a happy song.
Good morning, family. Enjoying the music?
Yes, Pa. It's so nice. Papa, the phone tickles.
Careful, Rajesh.
Almost done.
I'm sleepy.
Rajesh, breakfast is ready.
Papa, are you done? I'm hungry.
Coming, just a moment.
राजेश, अंजलि, रोहन उठो।
जी मीरा, आ रहे हैं।
हाँ मम्मी, बस उठ गया।
चाय गरम है।
Oh, the pressure cooker is whistling.
Sounds like it's ready.
Wow, that's so loud. It's whistling.
Careful now, it's very hot. Almost done, my dear.
It smells so nice, Amma.
There. Now you're ready for school.
Me too, Amma.
Here we go, a little polish for a shiny day.
They look so nice, Amma.
Now for the laces. Cross them over, then pull.
Like this? It's tight.
Perfect. Ready for school.
Here you go, fresh water for school.
Thank you, Mommy.
And one for you, Rohan.
Yay! Thanks, Mommy.
Good job, Mira.
Have a good day, everyone.
Papa? Is that about cricket?
Yes, beta. India won a great match.
Hot aloo parathas, everyone.
Wow, the butter is melting.
It looks so yummy.
Thank you, Mira.
Eat while it's hot.
So good.
Anjali, Rohan, slow down a little.
Let them eat, Mira. They are growing.
But Papa, we're going to be late.
All right. Just be careful not to choke.
Finish up. I'll drop you.
Time for school, my dears.
Yes, Mama. What's for lunch? I'm hungry.
Your favorite. Come get your boxes.
Thank you.
Rohan, finish your milk.
The bus will be here soon.
I hear it.
Oh, whoa! That was loud.
Let's go.
Be safe. Anjali, Rohan, school time. Bags.
Coming, Mom. My red bag. Hurry's here. Papa's waiting.
All right, team, let's move.
Yes, Papa. All ready? Let's go.
The bus is here.
Coming, Papa.
Have a good day, my dears.
I will, Ma.
All right, up you go.
Bye.
All right, everyone. Time to go.
Yes, let's not be late.
I'm ready, Mom. Me too.
Rajesh, chai finished?
Almost. Last sip.
So peaceful.
It is. Perfect start. All right, time to go.
Drive safe. Have a good day.
You too.
आजा रे अब तो आजा.
My dears, you're back!
Amma, we had so much fun! And I got a star on my drawing!
Wonderful! Come, let me see.
Welcome back to Doordarshan. Next, a comedy sketch.
Yes, very funny. Don't spill the dal.
Mom, more please!
Alright, one more scoop.